What up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Gums, and today we'll be checking out some Mariah Carey, Fly Like a Bird, but this one is covered by Morissette featuring Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda. I don't know if I got those names right, but that's what it looked like to me. So we're about to check this out, and we're about to see how she get down on this. Now, everybody telling me she's the phoenix of Asia, man. So from what I already listened, from what I already heard from her, I believe them. Like, this woman is more than just an artist. She's an inspiration. You feel me? So we're about to check this out. We're about to see how she get down on this. Let's get right into it, man. Let's go. Well, they got good chemistry.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free.
Okay.
Fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. To pray come and carry me home.
Oh my God, she sounds so much like Mariah Carey there. Oh my, I gotta go back. I gotta go back on that, bro. Bro, she got, oh my God. She sounds so much like Mariah Carey there, man. Oh my God. If this wasn't a video where I actually seen her sing, I might have said, hey, that's Mariah Carey singing behind there, man. That's not her. You feel me? Because she sounds so much like her.
I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. What does love you survive?
I love the chemistry. Wow.
Carry me higher. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Woo. Wow. You gonna go like, oh my God, bro. What is this playing? Morissette. Wow. Look, guys, I definitely hear some Mariah Carey in this one. For real, for real, for real. Now, I would like to hear her and Gabriel from Brazil, Gabriel Henrique, on a song covering together one of Mariah Carey's songs, man. Because Gabriel can do this so perfectly, just like her, man. I'm telling you, I would love to hear both of them on the same song together in the same studio. I just want to hear the chemistry, the bond between their vocals and everything, man. I think it would be phenomenal. For real, I think it would be phenomenal, man. But look, she is one of those artists where you could just call up, hey, I got this gig coming up. I need you to do this for me. And she's going to be like, no problem. Because she know that she got the ability to coordinate with any type of genre and even perform any song. As long as she know the words of the song, it's done deal. It's done deal because her voice can connect to anything. Like, she just got that power over her vocals, the control she have with her vocals. Like, a rap song, soul song, reggae song, it doesn't matter what genre, man. Her voice is gonna stand out. You feel me? Her voice is gonna stand out, man. Wow. She's good. She's really good, man. She's really good. But anyways, let me know down in the comment section what other song you would like me to check out for her. And I surely will, man. But I'm gonna go to her profile. I'm gonna see what she been up to. And I'm gonna check out more of her. You feel me? But if there's any specific one you want me to check out, let me know down in the comment section. I surely will. Until then, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one. We out. Peace.